Before you buy GoHighLevel, you need to watch this first, because when I first signed up, I got sucked into the hype. I bought the $497 plan, got completely lost inside the platform, and I eventually canceled. I wasted thousands of dollars. But then later, I realized something important. I was not using it the right way. So I came back to the platform on the lowest tier, and I started using it to run my content business. I replaced Calendly, my course platform, and my email marketing with Highlevel, and it actually saved me a lot of money. Now fast forward to now, I'm back on the $497 plan again, but this time I'm running my own agency and I actually know what I'm doing. So I've seen this platform from both sides, the overwhelmed beginner who had no idea what they were doing, and now someone who has their own agency actually kind of knowing what they're doing now. And no one has this figured out, by the way, but I have learned a lot. And there are 10 things that I wish I knew before signing up that almost nobody talks about, and that's why I'm making this video, so you can avoid the same mistakes that I made and save you a whole lot of money. Now, yes, I have an affiliate link. If you want to sign up, you get 30 days free instead of the 14-day trial. You get a whole bunch of bonuses when you sign up with me, but this video is still gonna give you a lot of value if you don't. I'm just trying to help you guys not make the same mistakes that I made. So this list starts at 10 and I'm gonna count down to the biggest lesson I learned. Number 10, signing up for the $497 plan without a real plan is one of the biggest mistakes you can ever make. So I bought into the hype of starting my own agency because people make it sound so simple. You pay $497 a month, but you put businesses on your account and that's all you pay is just $497 a month. Everything else is profit. And I'm like, this is the dream. That's all I have to pay. And then I have all these businesses paying me $500 a month each client or more. I'm like, this is finally my ticket to freedom. But software by itself is not a business. When I signed up, I joined under someone who focused heavily on giving out snapshots. She's calling it a business in a box. And basically snapshots are just templates. The idea is that you load the snapshot and suddenly you have a ready to sell service. But what I did not realize is that that same person that's teaching this, she doesn't even have actual real clients. So I spent months loading snapshots, trying different ideas, experimenting with different services, and nothing landed. And in that process, I wasted a lot of time and a lot of money. And that experience taught me something important. Before you sign up for the $497 plan, you should know what service that you're selling, who you're selling to, how you're gonna get clients, and so much more. Without that, Highlevel just becomes an expensive tool sitting on your computer. But I recommend looking at your own circumstances and understanding what type of person you are and what you really need when you're signing up. Number 9, no one talks about this. Free trials aren't actually free if you're selling usage-based services. So in Highlevel, there are things like voice AI receptionist, SMS marketing, email automation, reputation management if you're sending out text messages. Those tools run on infrastructure that charges per use. So every text message costs, email, AI conversation, voice AI minutes, they all cost money. So when people just tell you, just do a free trial for them, yeah, the software is free, but the usage still costs. So that means if you give a free trial to a business, they usually need to connect a credit card to their wallet inside their account so it can cover things like text messages or AI minutes. The cost is usually less than a penny, but it's still a real cost and it's still something that you need to get their credit card for. I didn't know this when I started out and I actually used my credit card because I promised them a free trial, and then when I charged them, then it charged my credit card because I just didn't know. So, and Highlevel tells you not to put your credit card there. Lesson learned. I'm telling you guys, learn from me so you don't get charged for their services. Most businesses have no problem paying for usage fees, but you just gotta let them know. So I'm letting you know that it's not just a free trial, or it's a free trial, but they do have to pay for usage. And you can let them know it's just less than a penny per text or a message, but you gotta let them know. Number 8, you don't need to understand everything in the platform. So when people first open GoHighLevel, they see everything it can do. You know, it can do everything almost. Funnels, websites, automations, email, you get a big CRM, pipelines, AI, it's a lot. And the natural reaction is to try to learn everything at once. But that's actually the fastest way to get overwhelmed, and then you do nothing with it. You just know you have a great software that can do a lot, but you still don't know anything. I recommend just focus on learning one thing first. Learn one service, get really good at it, and then add the next layer later. Information overload is real, and most people get stuck watching tutorials instead of actually doing anything about it. Number 7, if you're starting an agency, you need a pipeline. This is one of the most important things people overlook, and I didn't even know what a pipeline was until I finally got to get in the game of having my own marketing agency. Now, a sales pipeline is simply a way to track potential customers. Think of it like a list showing where people are in the process of becoming becoming your client. Some people just heard about you, some are thinking about working with you, and some people are ready to buy now from you. You need to keep track of that, and that's exactly what a pipeline does. It helps you track conversations, what emails did you send, just have an understanding of who these clients are and the type of interactions that you've had with them. If you don't have people in your pipeline, you don't have a business. And this is what I was trying to figure out, like, why am I not getting any sales? And then my coach said, well, let me see your pipeline. And then I was like, I don't have one. So you don't have any people that you're reaching out to, you don't have a business. You need a pipeline. Number 6, the GoHighLevel affiliate program. So a lot of people who talk about GoHighLevel on YouTube are usually utilizing the affiliate program like me. I do the same thing. I'm using Highlevel, it's working for me, so I'm sharing all my knowledge, and if you sign up, it's at no extra cost to you. And I love it because I feel like it's so amazing. Like, I get to help you. You don't have to actually pay me anything, but actually use the software that I'm also using to get clients and doing my own business. Like, to me, it's just a great model. But people take advantage of this, and I have been burned a couple times by using their affiliate link, thinking I'm gonna get all this great stuff, but all they wanted was my money and not to actually teach me how to do anything. So I immediately canceled. So this is the one thing I say, ask this question, are they doing what you wanna do? So for example, if you wanna start a social media marketing agency, you should probably not sign up under me because I'm not doing that. I can't teach you how to get clients for social media. So what I can do is tell you how to run your own business with GoHighLevel, and I can tell you how to run your own marketing agency with GoHighLevel because it's what I'm doing now. But don't sign up under someone thinking you can learn from them if they're not actively doing what you want to do. And another thing that I have is that I partner with Andy all day, who runs a 7-figure agency. So when you sign up with me, you also get access to him and his membership and his weekly coaching for 30 days for free. So I've got a good package to help people actually not just use the software, but actually grow and make money on the software too. But if people are not doing that to help you make money or learn the system, do not sign up under them because that's just giving you some fluff that doesn't actually work so they can make money from you. Number 5, the platform was built for agencies first. So people who want to have their own business on Highlevel, it's awesome, but it's originally built for agencies managing multiple clients. And this is why the platform uses something called sub accounts. So think of your GoHighLevel account like an apartment building. This is what helped me understand how this thing works. So you own the building. Each sub account is like an apartment inside your building, and one can be your own business. So like if you're a landlord and it's an apartment building, you usually have you have a room inside there. That's one of your sub accounts. The other rooms in the apartment building are your clients. Each one has its own website, funnels, calendars, automations, contact, CRM. Everything stays separate, but you have the key to everyone's room if you need to get into it. So hopefully that makes a little sense on how GoHighLevel is designed and how you can use it. Number 4, the pricing becomes pretty powerful when you replace this with other tools. So to some people, $97 a month might feel expensive, but the value really shows up when you start replacing other tools. So for example, I was paying $114 per month just to host courses, and that's all I could do. But with Highlevel, you can use it for calendars, emails, unlimited websites, landing pages, and so much more. Like, I was paying for all these different tools when I could just be paying $97 a month. When I realized that, that's when I came back and said, okay, let me stop wasting money over here and just go back to Highlevel, but go on the lowest tier. And this is how I've been able to run my 6-figure business on Highlevel. So it makes a lot of sense financially if you're running a business. Now, number 3, the support is better than most people realize. So I've heard some complaints about Highlevel support, but to be fair, Highlevel is a fast growing company and they're constantly hiring new people. So there can be some issues with that. But my own experience with their support has been pretty solid. And I really like it where if I have an issue, which when I first got started, I didn't know a lot of things. So I would just go on their chat and hop on Zoom calls with people. And to me, that was amazing. Like, I'm like, I can get on a Zoom call, share my screen and show you what my issue is and you can help me solve it. So I personally enjoy Highlevel support. And I pay for Andy's Highlevel support because it's another level of that. But if you're just getting started, I think it's really cool that they do have support where you can actually get on Zoom calls where they can actually help you out. Number 2, you learn this platform by doing. You can watch all the tutorials in the world, but the only way to learn Highlevel is to actually start using it. Building funnels, creating pipelines, asking for help, looking at YouTube tutorials, but you actually gotta get in there and start doing it. And number 1, the biggest mistake people make during the free trial. When I first signed up, I thought the free trial was just for watching tutorials and learning the dashboard. I spent those 30 days for free just learning instead of doing. Looking back, that was the wrong approach. If I were starting today, I would immediately find someone doing what I want to do, sign up under them, and start building something right away. Because the fastest way to understand Highlevel is by actually using it. Think about it. No one ever learned how to play the piano by reading a book. And for me, once I finally started actually using it, then that's when it started to click. And that's when I started making money from it. And so that's what I really want to encourage you guys to do. You have access to everything in the free 30-day trial. You're not limited because you're on the free trial. No, you have access to all of the paid features. So do everything you can, especially if you're using this as an agency, to get your clients, because once you have a client, you got that momentum, like you got to deliver. And so you need that fire under you to get moving. And so that's why you want to work and do this immediately so you can actually get a paying client. So if you're doing this to start a marketing agency, I have a 30-day sprint to actually help you within those 30 days, help you get your first paying client. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, when you sign up with my link, you get immediate access to that and my community and so much more. And if you guys have any questions, like I would tell you guys, it's not about the affiliate commissions for me. It's just like helping you guys learn what I didn't know at first and just kind of being naive, listening to everybody, but now I kind of know the truth and I know what works and what doesn't. So let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to answer. As always, thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.